What's up, everyone? This is Amy Clark-Smith, Clark-Smith Adventures. We are going into Eldersburg, Maryland. It's in Carroll County, Maryland. We are crossing the Carroll County. We're going into Carroll County now. This is the Liberty Reservoir, if y'all can see. God, my window's dirty. Raven, what did you do to Mommy's window? Say hi to Raven, everyone. Woohoo! What did you do to my window? Good Lord. She like licked it with spit. It's disgusting. Yeah, the Liberty Reservoir is actually kind of big. It's kind of big. It's kind of big. It's kind of big. This is a big cemetery. Memorial Park and Mausoleum, sorry. I think about death a lot. Like, oh my God, it'd be so weird to just be like in the ground somewhere. Like, bye. See ya. See ya on the other side. See if y'all can see Liberty Reservoir. Liberty Reservoir. Liberty, liberty. Liberty, liberty. And we're coming into the town of Eldersburg. It is a very cute town. Carroll County. Expensive, of course. It's Maryland. My husband and I looked at a place in here. If you want, I'll show you where it's at, but it's very cute. Small, but cute. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, townhome type apartment complex. Talked to some guy, and he was like, I like living here. You know, it's a little pricey, but you don't see a bunch of riffraff hanging around. You don't, there's not a lot. There's people that walk dogs on leashes, and it's not. He's like, they're kind of strict, and I'm like, yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for. I don't, you get tired of living in some ghetto ass mess. After a while, you just get tired of it. Whether you're white, black, whatever. Like, I'm tired of it. I like where we're at now, but sometimes it is a little hood. Just saying. It can be a little bit hood rat. So, but we looked out here. I don't know. And then we had to, it's a long story. I don't know if y'all want me to elaborate. It was very expensive to get in. It was like first month's rent, security deposit, last month's rent. So in the a month it was like $1,700. It's just not copacetic. It's not copacetic. It's not copacetic. I'll show you the place if you want me to. Yeah, big shopping center. They basically have everything you need in this small little town. Restaurants, shops, grocery stores, convenience stores, gas stations. They even have a big place that my work took us to. It is like they have like bowling and pool and video games and food, and I forget the name of that place, but it was fun. It's a lot of fun. Whoa. Whoa. It's like, whoa. Who sang that? What the hell is his name? Like, whoa. What are you looking at, Rayfan? What are you looking at, Rayfan? She's looking out the window. Ooh, crabs. I'm all for that, yo. The hell am I going? Whoops. Whoopsie-doo. Oh, flashing light. These are the places. Yeah, Piney Ridge. We'll go in here. They were really nice. It's small. It's a small community. We looked at the model, which is up here. They accept one dog. At the time. Ah, that's what it was. At the time, this is the model. They're nice. They were like $1,700. It's all the same. It's all like, they have like a little park. It's all the same, like, same floor plan. I think it's just 2-bedroom. But, we were impressed with it. The only thing is, like, the kitchen was tiny. It was small. Had a washer and dryer, stackable, upstairs by the bathroom. Not in the bathroom, but, and then see these white little, they were all like little front porches. It's very cute. Excuse me. Good Lord, I burped. Jesus. I didn't even eat anything today, really. I had a Pop-Tart. Yo, Pop-Tart head. Give Mommy's keys back. What's she doing? Go this way. But yeah, it's small. It's a small community. I saw people like walking like dogs. The guy that we talked to, he's like, yeah, they're real strict on like breeds. I'm like, good, because I'm sorry, I love me some big dogs too, but when you have a little tiny dog, oh no, boo-boo, you know, it's scary to have like idiots putting their dog off leash, just running loose like nobody's business, just do. I'm like, get your dog on a effing leash, dumbass. I hate that. God, I hate that. Oh, it drives me nuts. Like, you want your dog to be killed? Because you have them off leash? Like, idiot. But yeah, it's very small. I bet there's a way out of here. Stop, Raven. Stop it. She's losing it. No, Will. You're being bad. Alright, let's back up. I don't know. she's doing. Ooh. Let's blow this popsicle stand. Let's go this way. And there, I think there's a little dog park back here. That's cute. Yeah, here's a little dog park. We have a dog park. Yeah, see, that's really nice. I mean, we have a dog park where we live now. What the hell did I just run over? What the fuck was that? I don't know. Ran over something. Anyway, we have a dog park where we're at now. But people go down there because you're not supposed to have big ass pit bulls and shit. And don't get me wrong, I love me some pit bulls. I actually trust a damn pit bull more than I would some other breeds because, you know, I work with animals. But it's like, you know, I don't want to take my little 7-pound, 8-pound Chihuahua mixed dog in there with a bunch of running around I'm crazy pit bulls. I'm sorry. I don't want to do that. Just don't want to do that. And you wouldn't want to do it either. I mean, they could be nice, but I don't know. They could be nice, but, you know, dogs can step on other little dogs or play too rough. You know what I mean? Like, so I never go to our dog. And our dog park is smaller than that one. Like, it's tiny. It's like, I don't even know how these dogs be running around like that. So, I have no clue. I don't know. Let's look at some houses, y'all. Speed limit's like 15 up in this bitch. Why? Hello, mister. How can you go like 15 miles an hour? It's like, that's like super slow. Like, that's like I could run faster than that. And I'm fat, dude. Literally. I can run faster. I don't know what the speed limit is right now. Because I ain't going no 15, I know that. I know that, homie. Let's go this way. Hello. School. I think that's Liberty High School. Liberty High School. I know nothing about that school. I don't know how good they are in football. I have no idea. Really just don't know. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna head out. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Clark Smith Adventures. Say bye, Raven. She's over it. Everyone have a wonderful, blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Thank you. Love y'all.